Good morning everyone. My name is Abhinav Pal and I study in 6th in DY Patil International School. I am making this project named LED Chaser. The LED Chaser is programmed by the Arduino. The LEDs turn on and turn off in a sequence. The create and moving the chasing the effects used to decorate ads and displays. Components we are used in this project: Arduino, brainboard, registers, jumbo wires, and LED bulbs. We will customize, adjust the speed of a chaser. Let's demonstrate it.